Okay, one of the things we got to figure out is which one of these cables is positive and which one is negative. Now, I would kind of go with the assumption that the red one is positive, but you know, the other one's got a light color on it too, so who knows? I'll show you a way that you can figure this out, even if there's no factory manual to refer to. And here we've got plain old 9-volt battery. I've got the negative, which is the big one, terminal hooked up to one of the speaker connections, which by the way I could do in here too, it's just harder to reach. And then I can make the connection to the speaker by, can you hear that? That's the sound of the speaker moving. Now watch closely, watch the cone, and you can see that this configuration is pushing the cone forward, okay? So what that tells me, this is the positive connection, and whenever I attach positive to this side, the cone moves forward. So this is the positive connection. So in the same way, that means that this is also the positive connection. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to write a plus on the, which you couldn't see, I'm going to write a plus on the terminal there and then go in and check it against my connector so I can identify which of the wires is positive. All right, now I've plugged it in just loosely, and you can see that indeed the red stripe cable goes to the positive terminal. So we've identified that. Now we've got to do the mid-range. It's a little tougher because you can't really get to the pins to make the connection. So I've gone ahead and removed the connector so I can connect to the speaker in its native format through the plug, and I'll be putting spade lugs on this to connect to the new speaker anyway. So no harm done. Okay, and here we have two bluish cables. One of them's got a brown stripe, one of them's got a white stripe. So I'm going to connect to these, and again you can see that connecting the positive to the white stripe wire causes the speaker cone to extend forward. So my white is my positive. So I'm going to go mark that on the door panel so I don't forget. And there you go, that ought to do it.